Like I said before, we have had a way to fix it, and you got to look inside my kitchen, as you can see. And also, I think let's share my screen. I was hoping I just fixed it, but I need to change like one more thing. I was doing it, but then I got locked out and I had to log back in. 1 second. Let me share my screen. That's a lot better than thinking what's he talking about. I just was trying to run the script. First, I had it like without the name mention, but I can I can show it. It's a lot technical. Then you got like it's failing. He was trying, but he was failing. Then I put it with a new mention, but it is with a name mention, and it is saying that that is not in the script. 1 second. I can go also here. And once here, function name, it's there. Okay, well, I have to implement it after soon, but let me show a little bit of the updates. Like I said, I finally managed. Yeah, I believe I'm sharing my screen. Let me just delete this a little bit. So it's new again. And of course, you guys have seen that we have the ways to make trades. I just make a couple now to ensure that it's not going to be having hundreds of trades. I believe that's this one. And also I managed to, as you can see now with the data in the amazing collection, it's now 15,000 different pools. Everything, you've written it wrong, but everything is stored. Okay, it's some. As you can see that everything is stored, like I said before, it's multiple chains. The things that we're going to be executing now is potential trades. If I just do this one, it's just going to be finding a couple of them. So that's like easier to manage than having hundreds of trades here. Oh, 46. And what we're doing now is, like I said before, we have gotten an offer that the Sandberg clan is going to help to make sure that the flash loans are executed. And also, I believe that I've fixed also the flash loans. So that's like what we're going to be doing in a little bit. I just was, as you can see it here, it's a little bit technical, but here I was making a mistake with the, I can better go up. Here was a mistake with the arguments. Then I made the arguments correctly, and then it's saying that, yeah, but you got like something like a name mention. So I just have to like cross-check the contract, like I said here, with it is external, so it can be viewed. And I have to call the correct interface and then do the name and then execute the trade. It sounds so simple, but believe me, it's not. And that's what I'm going to be doing now. I did manage to, wait, let me go in. Like I said, with upgrading our script is going here. Center.py, and let's do center 1, I believe. Okay. And where I've made it, like I said before, really? Oh, this was to, a transaction sent. Oh, yeah, this one was also, like you can see it also in the blockchain. It was doing some correct. Oh, this is like my new tries. Like I said, I'm making sure that it's gonna be correct, but we're getting there. Wait, I was past it. I got it with the swap with permits. Swap with permit. I got a couple of them going correctly. Here I got a couple of them going correctly, but I need to fine tune it that it is not flooding with wrong things. And the things that went wrong is because of tokens were not allowed to have that function, because it is calling through the nonce function, and not every function has it. So like it's saying, oh, we're sending it, but he's saying it's not allowed. So that's like the things I'm doing now. I expect to have it fixed in a little bit because I was just making the last changes, as you can see. And I was here. And yeah, this is the one I'm working on now. And now I have to like make sure, as you can see, current allowance is this. Oh, I need to enter the gas price. Okay, so as you can see, like the current allowance, you can see it here. This one's better. One second, guys. It's a little bit chaos, but that's me. And this one also. Where if we go here, it is up. It's checking the allowance. It's updating the allowance if it's not having the allowance, and then it's going to be executing the trade. Where it's not the other scripts that I had, it was continuously also calling the API, and it was making sure that all the data gets stored. I've now simplified it and ensured it that it's only just calling the potential trades. So when running the script, it's just going to be doing that. And I just have to say that this is like the best one we have. That's like, we have like 5 or 6 scripts. I also made sure that the script is now combined. And like I said, this is the best one. And I think we're going to have it finished in a little bit, because now it's just making the swap and getting it there. So as you can see, like this one is always creating enough opportunities. And the last one I have to change is that it's going to be sending it. It was already sending the trade, but that it's using the right mention. So here you can, like I said, we have to do the FN name. So I have to fix the execute operation, but I'm going to do that after Zoom, but just to check it here. Well, as you can see, like now there's like 742 opportunities. I believe it's still running. And we have enough opportunities. We also are, as you can see, it's multiple percentages. It's not just 1%, 15%, 6%. There's a lot of them. It's calculating on multiple things, as I said. And the cross chain we're also going to be doing. So I'm now going to be, now I'm really going to be first putting the Zoom online on YouTube. And then I'm going to be fixing the function. Like as you can see, 24%, 30%. Even if we are, if the flash loan doesn't work, but I believe it works now, but don't hold me on that. With the help of the Sandberg clan, we can ensure that everybody can execute potential trades and earn that way also. Because when making enough trades, the capital grows. So it's a win-win for all of us. So that's like, as you can see, like it's comparing many different pools, and it's also calculating the amount that it's going to be trading with. That's possible with the liquidity. Yeah, I really have to fix this one first before I can show it. But it's also calculating the amount that it can loan. So if it's like a small liquidity pool with just a couple thousand in it, it's not going to be saying, oh, we're going to be trying a loan of 10,000. So that's like, what I'm going to be doing now. I was already working on it in the weekend, during the week. I mean, it's now, it's not in the weekend. I was already working on it, and I believe we're almost there. If having any questions, you can type them in the chat. So I can say to the Sandberg clan, you guys are amazing, and expect some nice updates in a little bit. And like I said, now it's really going directly on YouTube. I'm not going to be doing anything else before I'm doing that. And have a wonderful evening, everybody. I hope that I'm uploading another video in a couple hours showing successful trades. And like always, you can also see it in the blockchain. More updates will follow, guys. Bye-bye. Hey, so dan.